Your budget doesn't work, and it's not your fault. Let me explain why. Every January, millions of people sit down and create a budget. They list their income, they categorize their expenses, they set limits, and they feel great. By February, most of them have quit. By March, the spreadsheet is forgotten. Sound familiar? Here's the problem. Traditional budgets are built on restriction. Don't buy coffee, cancel subscriptions, stop eating out. It feels like punishment. And punishment doesn't work long term. Willpower is a finite resource. Eventually, it runs out. Then you overspend, feel guilty, and abandon the whole system. This isn't a you problem, it's a design problem. The tool is broken. The Finance Reset Toolkit works differently. Instead of telling you what you can't do, it shows you trade-offs. Want to keep your subscriptions? Fine. Here's what that means for your savings in 6 months. Thinking about a car payment? Move the slider and watch your future change in real time. You're not being punished, you're being informed. You make the call. When you see the math, the decisions make themselves. No guilt, no willpower battles, just clarity. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. Stop punishing yourself with budgets that don't work. Start seeing the trade-offs that actually matter. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.